हेलो अस्सलाम वालेकुम पाकिस्तान। वेलकम टू अंकल्स टॉक शो। अंकल, आपकी दो तीन वीडियोस जनरल नॉलेज के हवाले से काफ़ी अच्छी इंफॉर्मेटिव रही और एक आध वीडियो को काफ़ी अच्छे व्यूज़ मिले। आज मैं चाहूँगा कि आप वर्ल्ड हिस्ट्री के ऊपर बात करें और पर्सनालिटीज़ के ऊपर कि वर्ल्ड हिस्ट्री में कौन सी पर्सनालिटीज़ जो है वो किस किस्म
इन्होंने
का
काम किया दुनिया में
कंट्रीब्यूशन रहा और काम किया
अपनी
उन्होंने
कौमों को बनाने।
अपने कौमों को बनाने में। जी अंकल।
जी जनाब, great topic like always, and it's a pleasure to say hello to the youngsters of Pakistan because we love you people and our capital, and the people who will build Pakistan hopefully are the youngsters, and we have to motivate them. And how they could be motivated? There are very big leaders in the 20th century and the 21st century. I'm going to give you a few names in the beginning so you know who belongs to which country and who belongs to which continent. Let's start from Qaeda Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, our father of nation. Then let's say a world quality leader, our Field Marshal Muhammad Ayub Khan, who has been the president of Pakistan and did a great job as a countryman to develop the country in the beginning history of Pakistan. These are the two leaders who I admire in Pakistan, and there are a few more like Allama Iqbal and Khan Akhtar Ali Khan and Maulana Maududi, and you keep going with the Pakistan leadership. Now, getting out of Pakistan, from Afghanistan, Zahir Shah was a good king, good president. Shah of Iran, Raza Pahlavi from Iran. Then we go to take a flight to Russia. People like Stalin, people like Lenin, they have done a great job for their own country. You know what they did? How they are admired in the world? Lenin finished the Tsar dynasty and destroyed them all because they were the people who were the curse for Russian nation. And he built a system, let's call it communism, through Karl Marx, another leader, another thinker, but another philosopher. They were all from Russia. And he took over, and what Lenin is remembered to bring this dynasty, Tsar dynasty, down and finish the kingdom in Russia, and why he is so appreciated around the world. He was such a strong man. He finished beggars in Russia. He killed them all. He said, Russia do not need this cancer as a nation. We don't want beggars. We want workers. And we want people to work and earn their food and complete their responsibility with their family and with their country. So that kind of leader was Lenin. Stalin, great general. Second World War, great job. He did a great job in US, with US and England. And they beat a dictator like Hitler. Hitler was from Germany, big leader, but in a wrong direction. Evil, that was Hitler. Now, sorry, Mussolini. Mussolini was from Italy, great leader for their own nation, but he went to support evil. Let's take Japan. Japan went, the kingdom of Japan, get along with Hitler to destroy the world. That's why Japan got in conflict with the USA, and the atom bomb was launched against them because they believed the Christian of USA that we have to finish the evil. And they did not care how many people died in that particular action. You can call it jihad in Islamic language. They didn't. And Japan realized they were wrong. So this is the Zhou Enlai, great leader. Mao Zedong from China, red revolutionist, father of modern China, father of red China, Mao Zedong, and his prime minister, Zhou Enlai, one of the greatest leaders around the world from China. Now we come to India. People like Gandhi, Nehru, great leaders of India. I admire them, I respect them, because they are from the area. Doesn't matter they are Hindu or whatever their philosophy, but they did a great job for their nation. Okay? Now come to Nelson Mandela in Africa, who beat the shit out of people from Netherlands, who has taken over Africa and African wealth and African all diamonds and gold, and took hold of the country and made slaves to the black people of Africa. But this great leader, Nelson Mandela, beat them and destroyed them, destroyed their dynasty, their government, and brought the revolution in the 80s and the beginning of 90s. And he became the president of South Africa. Nelson Mandela, great leader. He came to give the tribute to Qaeda-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Till Pakistan he arrived and went to the museum, Wazir Mansion. He went there and paid his personal tribute to Qaeda-e-Azam, because when he was young, lawyer in South Africa, the Pakistan-Indian movement of independence was on heat, and he was following it, and he became the fan of Qaeda-e-Azam from the same profession. Qaeda-e-Azam was a lawyer, barrister, and this Nelson Mandela was also lawyer and barrister. So he followed him, and he came to pay tribute to our leader till Pakistan. That was the respect Nelson Mandela had for Qaeda-e-Azam. Now you keep going. Let's go to America. Eisenhower, fire hero, the war hero, 1952, President of America, the Fateh general, great strategist, leaders like Henry Kissinger. Doesn't matter he was a Jew, but great leader. He did a great job in breaking up Russia. So this is the way international politics work. Abraham Lincoln from America, great human being. He gave the liberty and the human rights, equal human rights, to the black community of USA, the African community of USA. That's Abraham Lincoln. I will continue this topic in next video, then again in next video, and we will go with general knowledge for a while. I'm stopping it here at the moment. Yes, from Saudi Arabia, Shah Faisal and Anwar Sadat from Egypt, and Yasser Arafat from the Palestinian movement, PLO, and we keep going. I will talk to you about the world leader. I'm collecting the material, but let it be like this. Watch this video, learn the names of the people who have done some great contribution to the world. Yes, Oscar Arias from Costa Rica, the Nobel Peace Prize winner. And I'm going to give you one of his phrases. When he was asked, Mr. Oscar Arias, you have solved some conflict of South America. That's such a great leader, and that's such a great mediator. And we want Salis, we want you to give a statement, because you have won the Peace Nobel Prize of 1988. He was the president of Costa Rica, Central America, and he said, you can only construct with peace. This is also my message to Pakistani generation, young generation. Be calm, don't be violent. Be a good leader. Change people into leaders, not only workers, not only followers. There's a message to Imran Khan. He's a good leader, but he has to polish himself. What he has to do for the welfare of Pakistan. He is not clear. I'm not against him, but I want him to collect his forces and make a comeback. Pakistan Zindabad, world Zindabad, Islam Zindabad. اینڈ ورلڈ برادرہڈ زندہ باد. آپ نے ویڈیو ضرور دیکھنی ہے, سبسکرائب کریں, انکل سے محبت کریں. یار تم لوگ کیوں اتنے نالائق ترین انسانوں میں تبدیل ہو گئے, شیطان صفت انسان. ٹوپی 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 ٹوپی, یہ کوئی مزاج ہوتا ہے؟ آپ ینگ آدمی ہیں, آپ کے گولز ہونے چاہیے, آپ کے اندر وہ جیت و جہد ہونی چاہیے. آپ کو علامہ اقبال کا ایک شعر پڑھ رہا ہوں, پلٹنا جھپٹنا لپٹ کے جھپٹنا لہو گرم رکھنے کا ہے ایک بہانہ. علامہ نے تو تمہیں اس طرح جاگنے کی کوشش دی ہے. کھولان زمیں دیکھ, فلک دیکھ, ذرا دیکھ, مشرق سے ابھرتے ہوئے سورج کو ذرا دیکھ. اقبال کو تم نہیں سمجھ رہے. بھاڑ میں جانا ہے, جانوروں کی زندگی گزارنی ہے, یہ آپ نے نہیں کرنا ہے. انکل کا یہ میسیج ہے, تب بھی ہے. خدا حافظ پاکستان. سبسکرائب کرو, پروگرام لائک کرو. خدا حافظ.